Hello everyone. So today we're going to draw a sleeping moon. So we're going to draw a crescent shaped moon. So first we're going to just draw the moon's body, or well, the moon itself, and then we'll go ahead and add other things to it. So we'll just go ahead and start here. Just draw kind of like a crescent shape, the best that you can. Just come out like this. And just join those two together. So right here, we're going to go ahead and draw. We're going to draw a hat. So it's going to come off the back of the moon's head, just like that. And we'll just go ahead and erase this line right here. All right, and then we're going to draw kind of like a triangle, like a lopsided triangle coming off the back, just like that. And then we'll draw a little pom-pom right there. All right, so next we're going to give our moon a face. So we'll go ahead and give him an eye. So he's sleeping, so we're just going to do like a little half circle like that. I'm going to put some eyelashes on our moon too. And then a nose. So kind of like a little half triangle. And then a mouth. We're going to give him a smile. And then a little cheek. And I'm going to also add some little stars in the background. So easy way to draw stars is just like this. Of course, you can also, draw them however you want, but this is a very simple way to draw a star. Okay. So next we're going to go ahead and take our black marker and we'll go ahead and outline our moon. So just start here in the middle, go up, and go down. Make sure you stop at that hat. And then, go do the eye. Our little nose. And the mouth. Of course, our cheek. And we'll go up and do the hat. Do a little pom-pom. And the hat itself. And of course our little stars that we put in the background. All right. Next we're going to go ahead and erase everything, all the pencil lines that we have. Okay, brush all that off. All right, so next for our colors. So I'm going to go ahead and do the cheek first because that's a little, go and color that in first. It's just nice pink, bright pink color. And then we'll go ahead and do our hat. So I chose this kind of like a turquoise or like an aqua color for the hat. Of course, you can use any color that you like. All right, I'm just gonna leave the pom-pom and the bottom of the hat white. And then I chose this really bright yellow for the moon, and we'll also use the same color for the stars. Okay, almost done. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and use the same color for the stars also. All right, and just two more on this side. And last one. Okay, and that's how you draw a sleeping moon. If you like this video, please subscribe to see more. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.